I know, the drinkers, 'cause we only drink Dr. Fizz. What? You're not going to say it? I'm not giving it to that again. Plus, I'm sure everyone thinks that's a pretty dumb name.
Yeah, I think it's pretty lame.
Ah, not nice.
Yes, I agree with Groundy.
I totally agreed with Spoon.
Flory.
Beneath me.
No, above me, loser.
Everyone, please, join me in a circle. There's too much tension in the air. We won't be able to agree until we all link our minds. Wonderful. Now, with me, breathe in. Breathe out. Now, think of all the partners on our team. What are their thoughts?
Dr. Fizz! Oh, hush!
Yes, now, think together as one mind. What do we see?
Think. Wait, that's it! We should be—
Oh, I know! The Thinkers!
Oh,
I love it.
You know, 'cause we're all thinking together. Wow, you're really good at that, Candle.
I think that's a good name. Yeah?
Oh, Flory, you little rascal, you.
First up, Yellow Team, what's your new name?
So, we thought it over as a group, and I'm proud to say—
So proud to be called the Thinkers!
What? You took our name and just changed it a little bit.